Yeah. Dripping on back for the next ain't song. Never tell a fact that I never stay running. Sipping on facts, damn, know I got stacks in the lab. Taking bitches straight for another cat. Make shit while I never had shit. Bitch, move, make your motherfucking head split. Cost to the loss, never really don't back shit. Got me never really don't chase it. Streets to the plate, no fake. Ass to the way, niggas know I ain't play. Fast to the break when I switch all day. Stance with a press to the damn all day. Sticking up sides, read, never mind me. Point to the ground.
So hello guys, with the name of God, Ram Ram. Recording is on. Today we are going to solve a very interesting problem which was asked in Google OA for CTC 60 lakhs. Okay. But before doing that question, I want to discuss the basics of bit manipulation with you people. Can everyone tell me, do they know how to convert the decimal number to binary number? Right? Yes or no in the chat. Fast, 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 fast. Everyone, all people of the pro batch should know that. Or else, how did you do computer engineering and how did you come in this field? If you don't know that, I will show you. See, decimal numbers, binary numbers. 0 looks like this. Decimal 1 looks like this. Add some zeros in the start, does not matter. 2 looks like this. 3 looks like this. 4 looks like this. You guys know this fact, na? Ya bhul gaye? Oh, Chacha ji, do you remember or not? Tell me guys in the chat, how does 5 look? Your job, tell me. Tell me the answer in the chat. How does 5 look in binary? Everyone write the answer. And guys, if someone does not know, please tell me, sir, I have a doubt so I can explain. You guys know this much coding, na? Can I assume that? React with emoji. Okay. So 5 looks like this. 6 looks like, add 1 here. So 1, 1 carry. 7 looks like this. Guys, please tell me, how does 8 look in binary? Quick, 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 fast. Wrong, Govind. Correct, Riddhi. Correct, Dawat. Correct, Chandanji. Correct, Saransh. Correct, Sachin. Correct, Sankalp. Correct, Sakti. So 1 and 000. Now, guys, last trick I want to ask you. How can you convert the binary number to decimal? Let's say the binary number is this. How will you convert it to decimal? Give the index. Index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4. Wherever a 1 is coming, now multiply it with the power of 2. 1 into 2 raised to, it is coming at index 1, so 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 4. Which is 2 plus 2 raised to 4 is 16 now. 18. Guys, write yes in the chat if you know how to convert the binary number to decimal number. Now guys, I am giving you a test. Please solve it for me. All should answer in the chat and don't copy paste each other answer. Convert this to decimal number. I am writing the index for you. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How did you do it? Tell Devang. Tell me, how did you convert it, guys? What is the formula? What formula you used, guys? Guys, please write now in the chat. Yeah, so you know now how to do this. Wherever a 1 is coming now, multiply that 1 with 2 raised to the index 2 raised to 1 plus 1 is coming here also, so 2 raised to 3 plus 1 is coming here also, so 2 raised to 6. Wherever 1 is coming, you just multiply it with 2 raised to 6. 2 through the power of that index and add all the numbers. So 2 plus 2 raised to 3, 8. What is 2 raised to 6? 2 raised to 64. Okay, guys. So you understood this much concept, guys? Okay. Yes, Sanket, you are correct. Now, guys, you understood these things. So nice. So nice. Awesome. 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 Now, guys, listen to me very carefully. Do you know what is the meaning of AND operation on a binary number? If you want to do 3 and 4, this is difficult to do. Just convert them to binary first. So guys, how does the 3 looks like in binary? Please tell me. How does the 3 looks like in binary? 011. How does 4 looks like in binary? If I do the AND operation, what will happen, guys? Lovely people, please tell me the chat fast. AND rules is like this. Whenever you do AND of 1 and 0, answer is 0. 0 and 1, it is again 0. 0 and 0. Answer of AND of any two number is always 0. Except when both are 1, only then the output is 1. So 1 and 0, 0. 1 and 0, 0. 0 and 1, 0. AND of 3 and 4 is 0. Did you guys, is there any person in the whole meeting who does not know the AND operation? Please ask her out. I will explain you how to do the AND of two numbers. Please guys, anyone? No, right? Okay. Some more people right now to increase my confidence. That everyone knows this, na? Okay. I will give you last question and only then I will go ahead. Tell me the end of these two numbers. 0 and 1, 0. 1 and 0, 0. 1 and 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Both are 1 then 1. 0, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1, double 0 is the answer. The first zeros you can ignore. In the binary number, you should only focus on the left hand side one. Then whatever zeros are coming, you can ignore them. So 100 is the answer. Guys, I will give you some binary numbers. Can you tell me the actual value of that binary number? Be ready, okay? What is this actual binary number? Actual is only 1010. Always ignore the zeros coming at the start. When the 1 comes now, only then the binary number gets the actual value. Got it? First one. First one from the left hand side. All react with emojis if they know this concept. आगे के जीरो से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता जब तक पहला वन नहीं आ जाए लेफ्ट में. I am giving you one more example. Tell me what is the real value of that binary number. In binary only. Only Akriti gave the right answer. Why others are giving wrong? Akriti gave the correct answer. The initial zeros never matter. When first find out the leftmost position of 1. This is the leftmost position. It means the number is important. Only this much part is important. Rest of the part does not contribute anything to the answer. The answer is 1 0. You ignore the first 0. Tell me guys, in this which is the important part? You understood na? You always ignore the starting zeros. As soon as the first occurrence of 1 comes, you check from there. Guys, these things are clear to you, my lovely people? Okay. Now let's try to get into Google. So let's say you are Kumar K student. Now you want a Google job. What will you do? Go in this OA session. Sorry, OA. Read the question. Always remember, whenever you want to crack a high paying job, you have to crack the honor assessment of that company, and you should always start everything with the name of God, Ram Ram, first of all. Second thing, your two skills should be very good. First thing is you should be able to read large English paragraphs, okay? Should be able to do this and summarize them in 1 to 2 lines. Once you have summarized the question, you should be able to solve that hard unseen question. For this, you need lots of structured practice. That's it, okay? So, you are given an array of size n containing positive. Only positive integers are there, guys. Positive. Just like I tell you, stay positive. Positive integers are given in the array. Let's define the value of an array as the bitwise AND of all the elements of that array. If there is just one element in the array, then the value of the array is equal to the first integer of the array. For example, 3 and 1 is given to you. So 3 and 1 is 1. A subarray is a, you know na, subarray means part of an array. Your task is find the longest subarray whose AND value is maximum. Everyone write yes in the chat if they understood the question. Uh, you have to find the longest subarray such that its AND value is maximum. Okay na? Giving you guys the link also. Start opening this and I'm writing the understanding of the problem now. Given an array of size n, positive integers, find the longest subarray whose AND value will be maximum. Guys, what will be the brute force approach? Can anyone tell me in the chat? Simple. Consider all the subarrays and calculate their AND value. Consider all the subarrays of your array and calculate their AND value. Once you know the maximum possible AND value, now you can check all the subarrays having that particular AND value, you can check all the subarrays having that particular AND value and print the one with the largest size. Print the one with the largest size. Okay, this is the meaning of the question, by the way. Okay. Guys, is everyone ready for the brute force code approach, or they did not understand what is brute force? Only discuss about brute force in the chat. Guys, write yes in the chat if you understood and write no if you did not understood. I am going to explain, don't worry. What I am going to do now? I am going to consider all the subarrays. Simple. See, this is the array given to you. Start pointer of the subarray you are considering I. End pointer j. First you consider this, you calculate its end value. Then you consider the first two values, you calculate its end value. You do like this for all the subarrays, okay? Once your j reaches the end, you increment your I and you start checking for all the subarrays starting at index 2. This basic is clear, or you did not understand this, guys? This is clear now. What I am going to do, everyone write yes in the chat, fast. Now I am going I'm not doing anything special here. I am just considering all the subarrays which has been taught to you since the childhood. Okay, if you are done the beginner plan. 2, 3, 4, 8, 7. First I am calculating the end of 2, which is 2. Then I am calculating the end of 2 and 3. Then 2 and 3 and 4. Then I am calculating 2 and 3 and 4 and 8. Then 2 and 3 and 4 and 8 and 7. Once that is done, then I'm calculating 3, then 3 and 4, then 3 and 4 and 8, then 3 and 4 and 8 and 7, then 4, then 4 and 8, and then 4 and 8 and 7. Everyone react with emojis if this much is clear that Kumar K sir is calculating end of all the subarrays. And guys, thank you for making the program so popular. Daily at least 50 to 100 people are messaging me for enrolling. Thank you so much. You guys are making it popular outside. Now guys, see pseudocode guys, pseudocode. N is the size of the array. Okay. Let's take one based indexing. Okay. So guys, I'm not taking the input. Input, I assume I have the input of size n and the array of size b. Okay. Sorry, I have array b of size n. Okay. I will consider all the sub arrays now. I'm using one based indexing. Actual C++, Java, Python codes will come after the session is done. No matter what language you're using, you understand that I is the start pointer of the subarray and j is the end pointer of the subarray. Now guys, lovely people, you should never initialize your AND value with the 0, because if you initialize it with 0, it will always stay 0 only. So initialize it with, initially I is equal to j, na, one element only. So initialize it with b of I only. Now guys, as you are increasing, you will like do the AND operation, right? G equal to G and B of J. Okay. So I have to calculate the max value now. MV is equal to max of MV is the max of all the subarrays AND values. Okay. Everyone write yes in the chat if they understood what Kumar K sir did. Kumar K sir is calculating slowly end of all these subarrays. Whatever value he's getting na, he's comparing it with maximum again and again. Okay. Now what I will do is I will again run two for loops. Lovely people, I will again run two for loops. I am such a nice guy. I am not that nice, by the way. So now, guys, I will again run two for loops. This time I am very smart. I will directly check. See, G. Oh, guys, what is the meaning of G? Can anyone tell me? G is nothing but and of all the values from I to J. So if and of all the values from I to J is for sure the maximum I have calculated before. If this subarray is surely the maximum, then you need to calculate the size now. Length is what? Absolute value of I minus J, because subarray is from I to J na, I minus J plus 1. You want maximum length na? ML equal to 0. Whenever I get a valid length, I will compare it with the maximum length. So I will get the maximum of all the lengths. Print ML. So guys, what did I do in the algorithm? First, I find the maximum possible AND value of a subarray. Once that is done, I find which are the subarrays having that maximum value. See, if G equal to MV, it means that is a valid subarray. I check it is size and I take maximum of all these sizes, that is the longest subarray. Guys, is the algorithm clear to everyone? If any doubt, please ask me now only. Then later on I will not explain. Someone, any doubt, please tell me. Okay, I'm now guys giving you the pseudo code and everything in the giving you guys in here also, like in the chat also I am giving, and guys here also I've given copy paste. Okay, guys, what is the time and space complexity, guys? Lovely people, lovely. Oh, lovely G. Two for loops, your this is taking n square times two nested for loops. This is also taking n square time 2 into n square. 2 into n square. But the 2 does not matter, right? It's a constant. By the way, if you want, you can do in just first two nested for loop also by using some if else condition. Whenever the max value increases, now you again update your counter or the size value which you are considering. बट इतना माथा पच्ची कौन करे, तो डायरेक्टली दूसरा दो फॉर लूप बना लिया. क्लियर गाइस? I don't like to do lots of engineering in the coding problem, so I prefer the easy way. Okay, I don't like engineering. Clear? Yeah. Guys, what is the space complexity? O of 1. Correct. Guys, no space I'm using. See? Don't give her space. There is no space being used here. See? No space. See, B is the array. You cannot count its space. It is already given to you in the question. You're not using any extra space. So, space complexity is O of 1. Now, guys, mind-blowing observation is going to come. Now, guys, start writing yes in the chat if you guys are now ready for the going into deep ocean. Be quick, guys. Yes, correct, Shinam. Yes, guys, now listen to me very carefully. Listen, Pooja, listen very carefully. Can you tell me what happens when you do the AND operation of two numbers? Let's say I do AND operation of 5 and 4. Guys, what is going to happen? Can anyone tell me in the chat what is the answer? What is the answer? 4, right? What is the answer of 4, 5 and 4? Guys, the observation is that the AND of two numbers is always less than equal to minimum of two numbers. मतलब समझिए समझिए. If I tell me AND of 100 and 500, it is guaranteed that the answer will be less than equal to 100. Answer will be less than the minimum number. Everyone write yes in the chat if they agree with this. If you do AND of any two numbers, if you do AND of any two numbers, answer will always be less than equal to the minimum number. Why? I'm explaining that to you with live proof. Let's say this is your first number. Let's say this is your second number. Whenever a 1 is there, the value of the number is increasing. But see, what do you do in AND? As soon as a 0 comes, this 1 disappears. As soon as a 0 comes, this 1 disappears. Only at very rare occasion when both ones are there, only then the 1 is coming here. Guys, that's why this value is always smaller than these both values. Can you feel it? Can you now feel it? Why the answer will always be smaller than the other two values? Why? Because when there is a 1 and 0, here the answer is coming as 0. The 1 power is getting wasted. Only those power are retained where both are 1. So only that 1 is retained. Rest 1 are lost. Number has become smaller now. Cry, cry, cry. She left you. She broke your heart. Now cry. Clear? Clear or not? Yeah. So, but as a Kumar K student, you should not cry. Okay. So guys, I will give you more live proof. Okay. Guys, can anyone tell me why will be the AND of these two numbers less than the minimum of x comma y? Why? Anyone can tell me the reason? Reason is, see, this one is also getting retained, no problem. This one is also getting retained, no problem. Here there are two zeros, but this got lost na. Oh ho ho ho. This one got lost. See, this caused the harm. And 10010 is the answer, which is minimum of x comma y. Either the value will be minimum of x comma y or it will even be smaller than this. Can you get the feeling, guys? If anyone has any doubt, please ask me now only. I am saying that this is my formula. And of x comma y will always be less than equal to the minimum of x comma y. Because one bit is getting lost whenever there is a 1 and 0 combination coming up. It is only getting retained when both are 1. and of x comma y is less than equal to. Now just think, guys, now just think. Question is asking you to find the subarray with maximum AND value. What can be the maximum AND value? Everyone start writing the answer in the chat. What can be the maximum AND value of the array, subarray in the array? Don't even need to run two for loops. What can be the maximum AND value for subarray in an array? Guys, AND is a decreasing function. AND is a decreasing function. Hence, if you combine more and more numbers, your AND will keep on reducing. It will not become maximum. If you keep combining more and more numbers, brainstorming movement. If you keep combining more and more numbers, AND will become small. But you want big AND. You want big AND, man, maximum AND. एक बात बताता हूं आपको, ध्यान से सुनिएगा. You are a Kumar K student, okay? It means you are phenomenally brilliant. Now, if you make friendship with any other kind of people who are not doing coding, your level, collective level will decrease. And the question is, find the set of students such that their intelligence level is highest. Okay. So guys, I'm giving you this question. Tell me the answer. This is Kumar K student, Love Babbar student, Striver student, YouTube student, and then Boss Coder student, Scalar student. Use your mind and tell me which subarray of this will give you the highest intelligence. Use your brain and tell me the answer in the chat. Fast, fast. Only KK, no combination. No combination. Why? If you try to mix Love Babbar and others with KK, average value will decrease. Only KK. So similarly, in your array, whatever is the maximum value, that is only the max possible AND value. If you combine it with any other number and make a sub array, the collective value will decrease. Do you get that thing? I will now show it to you with more live examples. Guys, tell me, what is the maximum possible AND subarray of this array? Which subarray will you pick up to get the maximum possible AND value? Acha guys, why are you not telling me, sir, take 105 na, sir? Sir, take 108 na. Why are you taking only 100? What is the logic? Because if 100 gets combined with 5, the AND value will be less than equal to minimum of 100, 5. It will become even less than 5. अरे किससे भी नहीं हमको टच करना, हम खुद ही सही है भाई. दूर रहो मुझसे, दूर रहो. Stay away from me. I'm biggest guy. Don't mess with me. So he likes to stay single. He likes to stay single. So guys, what is the solution to the question? Maximum possible AND value of any subarray in the array is nothing but maximum number in the array. Okay, so let's say guys, I now know the value of G. G is what? Max possible AND value of subarray in array, which is nothing but max element of array. Now guys, question is asking, find the largest subarray such that its AND value is G. Okay. Yeah. Now, but guys, you forgot one thing. Are you guys feeling that answer will only be one because there is a maximum number is only one, right? But guys, there can be multiple maximum numbers. Everyone write in the chat. There can be multiple maximum numbers. Write that in the chat, please. Yeah, there can be duplicate, right? मतलब कुमार के का सिर्फ एक स्टूडेंट थोड़ी ना होगा. इतना ज्यादा कुमार के सर पॉपुलर है, तुमको क्या लगता है एक ही बच्चा होगा? नो. So what will happen when in the group there are multiple Kumar K students? Then you will get the correct answer in your life. Okay. So now guys giving an array, tell me. Kumar K student, Kumar K, Kumar K, Love Babbar, Striver, Boss Coder, Scalar, Coding Ninja. Which sub array you will pick so you get the maximum level of intelligence? Use your brain and tell me. Consecutive maximum numbers you will pick up 3 k. First you find the best. You know Kumar K's course said student is best. Picked it up. All in the group, you just pick them up. Collective strength increases. Got it, guys? Because guys, what is the end of two same numbers? What is 5 and 5? It is 5 only. So if 100 is the maximum number in the arena like this, you know 100 is the max guy. So two hundreds together is the largest subarray whose end is 100, which is maximum. So guys, now the question boils down to what? Question boils down to find the longest subarray which is having the all same values which is equal to the maximum number in the array. Okay. Now even a kid can solve it. But can you see? Google tried to rotate this question so much for you people. Actually, questions are so easy. They just try to make it look difficult to you. Now you guys also know what to do. Find the largest subarray which has all same numbers in it, and that number should be maximum number of array. That's your answer. Now guys, I'm giving you some examples. You guys have to tell me the answer, okay? Guys, everyone write ready in the chat if they're ready for my next example. Now guys, I'm giving you last example and then only we will end the session, okay? So let's use eraser. I know you guys now know the solution. But I want to present one more test case. Sometimes Kumar ke students are fighting with each other. ऐसा हुआ था, मैं आपको एक स्टोरी बताता हूँ. There is a student of mine. He became really good in coding. He got a good job. बट उसके क्लास में उसको किसने बोल दिया, ए कुमार के पास तुम क्या जाते, तुम तो चोमू हो, तुम गलत जगह चले गए. उसने इतना लड़ाई किया, उस बंदे का कान से खून निकाल दिया. सो गाइज प्लीज डोंट फाइट दैट मच इन माई नेम. आई नो आई एम गुड, आई नो अदर पीपल स्पीक बैड, बट प्लीज दूसरों का ब्लड मत निकालिए, ओके? ये सच्ची में हुआ है, रियल लाइफ स्टोरी. So people in college say many things. Half people will say Kumar K is best. Half will say, oh no. So don't go and fight. Okay, don't go and fight. No need to get bloody there. Now guys, listen to the question. I did not even know, you guys don't even know Kumar K is sleeping peacefully and you guys are fighting there. Love Babbar, Striver, Kumar K. Guys, this is the array given to you. Now tell me guys, which is the subarray which is having the maximum power? Tell me, which is that subarray? Last 3 k. Guys, why can we not take this full? Because if we take the full, Love Babbar and Striver students will decrease the level. Okay, got the problem? Similarly, if this is this is 100, this is 100, this is 100, this is 100, and this is 100. Now if these two are 5 and 8, which is the actual level, you do all their end, 100 and 100, 100, 100 and 100, 100, 108, it will become less than equal to it. 105 less than equal to 5, then less than equal to 5, less than equal to 5. So you cannot entertain the anomalies. Whatever the contiguous members are there, na, pick up the largest contiguous set. So here there is a set of 2 kk. Here is the set of 3 kk. So 3 is the largest one. 3 is the largest subarray whose max value is whose and value is the maximum possible in the array. Okay. So now guys, I'm writing the code. Yes, Ritik, because and is a decreasing function. And guys, you can use the same concept, or is a increasing function. Now, no one has taught this in YouTube or anywhere else nicely. पढ़ाया ही नहीं है nicely, छोड़ो दूर की बात. That's why I'm teaching you. So use it properly. Using the same concept, you can solve the hardest bit manipulation question. Second hardest one, asked in Codenation OA and Infosys OA. Anyways, now guys, I'm writing the thing. Let me write. Okay, so question is asking to find the largest subarray. So that it's end. Okay. Now guys, coding. और एक चीज बता देता हूं. I write here code very slowly in front of you people. It does not mean I'm really that slow. Okay. In actuality, I'm very fast. Anyways. So guys, now guys, first what you will do, please tell me guys, algorithm. First you'll find the maximum value in the array. Guys, how to find the maximum value in the array? Please tell me. I don't know. I'm Kumar. I don't know. Please tell me. Guys, you're not telling me answer how to find maximum value in a whole array. It was taught to in beginner plan, guys. I will iterate from 1 to n, you take maximum like this, okay? Good. Now you have to find the largest subarray having only that G number, okay? Yes. Thank you, Sachin. Thank you, Harshi. Now, guys, please tell me what to write, guys. You only tell me, guys, how to write code. How will you find, guys, now the continuous factor? बोलो if condition में क्या लिखोगे? लिख के बताइए. अच्छा 2 से चालू करेंगे ना. See, guys, if current value is equal to G, bottom G, sorry, top G, agitate, breathe air, or bottom G. If this is bottom G and the previous guy is also bottom G, so you increase the counter C++, but Python guys will not understand. So C equal to C plus 1. But if this condition is not satisfied, then what you will do? Go cry. You write your C as 0, okay? Now after each iteration, you should take the maximum of C value, okay? Just take maximum. अरे मैंने क्या वेरिएबल नेम यूज कर दिया मुझे ही पता नहीं चला. Okay. So guys, okay equal to, in many of my codes on lead code and past codes, you will find that I'm using your dev mem name. Reason you will come to know after some years. Okay equal to what? Max of okay comma what? C. And guys, you will print C plus 1. I will explain you how this algorithm is working. Don't worry. I will explain you. Yeah. अब गलत emoji मत डालिए. Now, guys, see this basic algorithm I want to explain you. So, I'm not able to rough this. Yeah. Guys, see what is happening. See, 100, 2, 3, 4, 100, 5, 100. So guys, see, first you come here, index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You come here, you see this is also G, this is also G. You make your C as 1. Then you see this is not satisfied, your C0. 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 This is 100, previous guy is not 100. C0. 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 So C was 1 and then 0, 0, 0. What is the maximum possible value of C1? So 1 is the answer, but you do plus 1 in the final because you started from index 2 now, so this gets missed. I will explain it to you with one more example. Yes, it is something like that only, Ritik. I am not able to think what you are saying. Guys, you know this basic algorithm, na? Right? Yes, in the chat. Whenever the same number is coming, increment the counter. If not coming, then C0. This way you can keep the track of maximum number in O of one space. Still, I will explain you. Guys, please tell me the C value at each step of the dry run, okay? So, 100, 100, 3, 4, 5, 100, 100, 100, 1. What will be the value of C here? Tell me everyone in the chat. 0. अरे 3 कौन लिख रहा है सरांज? कहाँ से आ रहे हो 3? Final answer is 0. Then you come here, your algorithm see this is matching this. So C increment 1. C is only getting incremented if the current value is also G and the previous value is also G. Current should also be 100 and previous should also be 100. Okay. Is this satisfying? No. If it is not satisfying, then C equal to 0. Is this satisfying? No. C equal to 0. Satisfying? C equal to 0. Guys, is this satisfying? Is this the current and previous equal to 100? No, na? 0 likho, Sujay. 0. This is also 0. Is this matching previous to this? Yes. C equal to 1. Is this matching? Yes. C equal to 2. C. 2 means you have found 2 plus 1 guys in the continuity which is having the same value. This is matching. No, 0. So whichever are the C values now. Guys, what is the maximum of all the C values? Please tell me. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0. What is the maximum? 2. I am saying 2 plus 1 is my final answer. So whenever I take maximum now, see OK equal to max of OK of C. I take maximum of all the OK here and I print OK plus 1. Why OK plus 1? Because when there are 3 numbers now, your C will only go till 2. So you need to add 1. Got it? Because you're comparing with the previous number now, so 2 hi badega. Guys, please tell me the time and space complexity. See, such a simple code, man. Efficient code is simple than the inefficient code, by the way. And you get the 60 lakh rupees in a bank account. Obviously, I have to pass the interview also. Guys, time complexity. Nothing. O of n. O of 2n. Here also going from 1 to n. Here also going from 1 to n. Some smart people can do this both thing in one for loop only, but I don't want to take that risk, okay? हमको डर के आगे जीत नहीं करना इधर. So, O of 2 into n. But you can remove the 2. That's basic. And guys, space complexity. O of 1. Stopping and saving the recording. You can, thank you Saranj. Harshi, you can do with C equal to 1 also, huh? There is no such reason.